How to indent first line in Google Docs. So guys, we are going to share some valuable information in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here I have some sample paragraphs. Okay, so this is, I have paragraphs. Now I'm going to show you how can in the first line or uh, others. You can also apply the other any lines like this. You can apply for the rest of the line and first line. Okay, so what you need to do first, you have to make sure your ruler has been visible. So go to the view and make sure your ruler show ruler option has been enabled. Now what you need to do, just select the alt text. Now you can see this blue icon. This is down arrow blue. It is indicate the your you know the content below the first line, and the upper blue bar indicate the for first line only. Okay, so what you need to do, just select the content. You can select the manually. Now just take at your right side, and then you can also manage the margin from here. Okay, this is my margin. Okay, so take this like this. Okay, so this is the first line indent has been happened. You can also make, you have to just select the text and you can indent like this. Okay, okay, so you can indent first line like this. So the blue bar indicate the the first line, and the rest of content indicate this blue down arrow. So that is how you can indent first line in Google Docs. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.